Hey everyone, I'm going to be shucking this 14 terabyte external drive, but first I want to find out what's inside it. So G Technology has been around for a while, mostly making products aimed at Mac users, and eventually through a number of acquisitions it is now a brand of Western Digital, and it's still mainly aimed at Mac users. The fact that these drives are marketed mostly towards Mac users is probably the reason why they're so expensive compared to most other external drives at the same capacities. They are advertised as having enterprise-grade drives inside, but as we have seen from shucking other drives, those also have enterprise-grade drives inside. So at the end of the day, that's all just marketing spin and doesn't really set this drive apart against other drives. The only thing that could set this apart from other drives is probably the build quality, being that it has that very Mac-like aesthetic. I managed to pick this drive up on eBay for about the same price I usually spend on other 14 terabyte external drives, and more than half the price that this would usually cost to buy new. So I'm going to get this opened up. It is secondhand, so it might not have all the things that it would come with new. So don't take this as a full unboxing experience. Power cable, so it probably has an external power brick. Yep, there's the power brick. European power cable, I don't need that. And the drive itself. And the USB-C cable. So it's got some weight to it, which is probably unsurprising, being that it's a hard drive. But it does kind of feel heavier than other external hard drives. The casing is all metal. Aluminium, I assume. So before I shuck this, I want to plug it into my computer and see what drive is inside. I've loaded up Crystal Disk Info here, and we can see that it's a Western Digital UltraStar drive, 7200 RPM, which does make a change from the normal Western Digital external drives that only have 5400 RPM class drives in them. But other cheaper external drives from Seagate often have Iron Wolf or Exos 7200 RPM drives in them, so that isn't really saying much, and doesn't make this drive worth what it actually costs in my opinion. The drive looks good from the smart data, but it has had a good few thousand hours in service. So now that we know what drive is inside, and that it's working, it's time to figure out how to shuck it. So I actually have no idea how to open this. I think I see some screws under the feet. Yes. Ooh. That's some tough glue. And there's no screw under there, so it must be under the sticker. Okay. Under the sticker, yes. Warranty void. Okay, push, pull. Yeah. Ooh. And there it is, Western Digital UltraStar Data Center Drive. Okay, so I think I need to take these screws out. Okay. And then these tabs are holding in the drive. You're going to come out nicely. Ooh, cool. And then it's just a normal, there we go, normal SATA interface. Nice. Now I normally throw away the external enclosures because they're just cheap plastic, not worth anything, and I have so many SATA to USB boards now. But I might keep this one. So there we have it. I hope you liked this quick look inside of this G Technology external drive. I got a decent 14 terabyte hard drive out of it for a pretty good price. If you liked this video or it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content like this, or computers and servers in general. I'm always tinkering with something. So until next time, thanks for watching.